In 2011, a census report based on household and latrine facilities revealed that around 53.1% of the population didn't have any kind of toilet facilities. Now, India is a huge country, being the second most populated country with a population of more than 1.3 billion, which lived in around 256 million households. Even though more than half of the population didn't have toilets, but 63.2% of the population did have access to mobile phones. So there were literally more mobile phones in the country than there were toilets. But things took a big turn in 2019 when the Prime Minister of the country announced that India is open defecation free, which means that all households in India have access to toilet facilities.
60 महीने में 60 करोड़ से अधिक आबादी को टॉयलेट की सुविधा देना, 11 करोड़ से ज्यादा शौचालयों का निर्माण, ये सुनकर विश्व अचंभित है।
If you look into the timeline of toilet coverage of India, in 2001, about 63.6% of households didn't have toilets. The number went down in 2011 to 53.1%. The rural household toilet coverage in India increased from 1% in 1981 to 11% in 1991 to 22% in 2001 to 32.7% in 2011. In 2014, India was the country with the highest number of people participating in open defecation, totaling to around 530 million people. But on October 2, 2019, all the villages in 36 states and union territories of India were declared open defecation free. The Indian map in the Swachh Bharat Mission website, which was keeping track of the progress, turned green entirely, indicating the achievement of the policy's objective. It all started in 2014 with the victory of Bharatiya Janata Party, which made Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India. He started a countrywide campaign called as Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which had primary goals to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management in urban and rural areas. The campaign was launched on October 2, 2014, on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is India's largest cleanliness drive to date, with 3 million government employees and students from all parts of the country participating in 4,043 cities, towns, and rural communities. The campaign was heavily promoted by politicians, Bollywood celebrities, and sports personalities via advertisement videos to create awareness on cleanliness and sanitation.
ये वाला पत्थर वहाँ मारूंगा और इंसान निकलेंगे।
इंसान?
हाँ इंसान। देखो।
अरे कौन है भाई?
देखो।
अरे यार क्यों तुम लोग गांव की इज्जत पे धब्बा लगा रहे हो? बाहर से लोग आएंगे तो क्या समझेंगे? स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंतर्गत भारत सरकार जो है वो शौचालय बनाने में मदद कर रही है। तो आप भी अपने घर में शौचालय बनाइए, परिवार को उसका इस्तेमाल करवाइए। अच्छा मेरी नहीं सुनते हैं तो कम से कम ये समझदार आदमी की तो सुन लीजिए।
According to the dashboard maintained by the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, a total of 110 million toilets were built out at a cost of $27 billion. In addition to that, nearly 6 million community and public toilets were constructed in urban areas. As a result, 4,234 cities and more than 600,000 villages across the country declared themselves open defecation free. According to a World Health Organization report, at least 180,000 diarrheal deaths were averted in rural areas since the launch of this campaign. In 2019, Prime Minister Narendra Modi received 2019 Global Goalkeeper Award for Swachh Bharat Mission from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And on 2nd October 2019, exactly 5 years later this campaign was started, Narendra Modi declared Indian villages to be open defecation free. But this claim had some data discrepancy. According to a survey carried out in 2019 by the National Statistical Office, concluded that 71% of rural households had access to toilets, which was at the odds with the Indian government claim of 95%. Though the number still indicated a significant improvement over the situation by referring to the previous survey in 2012, when only 40% of rural households had access to toilets. But this wasn't the only sanitation program India had. The first one was launched in 1954, followed by Central Rural Sanitation Program in 1986, the Total Sanitation Campaign in 1999, and Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan in 2012. These programs did a significant increase in the number of toilets, but had small effect in reducing open defecation. I would conclude this video by saying that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is helping to enhance the quality of life in rural areas and is improving public health through its objective. Most importantly, it has improved sanitation and solid waste management, which remained a neglected issue in this country for decades. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys find it interesting, and if you like it, then make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video, and let's drop that beat.